Hey guys, welcome back to our channel where we explore the latest and greatest in tech and social media trends. Today we are diving into the world of WhatsApp with an exciting features. So without wasting any time, let's get into it. From locking the microphone for seamless recording to previewing your message before sending and even speeding through long message for efficiency, WhatsApp has never been more versatile. So I'll show you how you can do it. So you need to open your WhatsApp, and from here I'll choose my contact number where I want to send. Now here you have it. Now you can hold this voice message section and drag a little up, and now your voice note section has been locked. Now you can record very easily. Now you don't need to hold the mic section for a while you recording. Now you can lock it and you can record anything you want. Now here you have your recording. Now you can also preview your recording before sending to anyone. You can check thoroughly if you have any mistake in your voice note. You can delete this voice note from here and you can record again. This is a very amazing feature launched by WhatsApp in recent update. And you can also continue your recording from onward. You can press on this center icon button and your recording will start from where you left this recording. You can also listen this recording all the way long, and you can, if you have any mistake in your recordings, then you can delete it and you can record it again. When I'll send this recording, it will send to anyone. This is the most amazing feature of WhatsApp. Now I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips and tricks. Until next time, happy messaging.